How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today, I want to give you some free NFTs. So, I talked about a stock last week, the best swing trade now, and not too many people watched it. I think it's because NFTs are still kind of new. So, they're not really sold on NFTs yet or non fungible tokens. So, if you don't know what those are, they're basically like digital artwork, right? You can think of it similar to how you would think about like a Pokemon card or a baseball card, where really, what's the cost of that paper? Probably less than a cent. But some of them can trade at hundreds of thousands of dollars because of the sentimental value or because of what it represents, or just the market for them in general is pretty high. Now, I talked about this company that was just announced. It was a SPAC merger, and how it was a secret NFT play. I talked about the big potential for it. I invested some money in it, and now it's running a little bit. So today it's up to $12.24. We saw it run up even more than that before. It was around $12.40, and I bought it right around 11, right under 11. The reason that's up today is they just announced their first NFTs. Now, I'll show you how you can actually get their free NFTs in a second, because I actually signed up for it. It's pretty cool what they're doing, but if we look here, they're merging with Topps. So Topps is a company that is actually growing quite well right now. Their revenue went up from $460 million in 2019 to $467 million last year. They're expecting this to go up again 22% this coming year, or this 2021, and then they're expecting a little bit lower growth rate after that. But what they're not pricing in are sales from NFTs. So we'll talk about that in here in a second. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button first, I really appreciate that. If you guys want the free NFTs, I'll show you how you get them and how you sign up and everything here in a second. But if you guys want those, there is a link down below in the description. While you're down there, if you guys want to sign up for M1 Finance and get some free money there, you can deposit $100 and get $30 back. They have a referral program right now. And you can sign up like your significant other or something too if you guys want to do that. And then you get $30, they get $30, so you could get $60 there. Also, there's a link down there to Webull in case you want some free money there. Just deposit $100. And I told my Patreon members about this morning. If you guys want to sign up for Patreon and know exactly when I buy and sell stocks, like I said, we bought MUDs under $11. Now it's over $12.20 a week later. So if you guys want that, you can check out the link down below to Patreon. So today they announced this on their website, a new era of baseball card collecting. They are going to start selling some of these NFTs starting on April 20. So just about a week away, next Tuesday, they're going to release these, and you can create a digital wallet here. Again, this link is down below. You can create a digital wallet here, and then at the bottom, you can reserve your free pack. Now, they're only doing this for the first 10,000 of these, so the sign up is actually closed. So I actually got these this morning. Apparently, they already hit their 10,000 reservations, but I'll still leave it down there so that way you can get into the digital wallet in case they give you more free packs, or in case they give out more free packs, you can sign up for them today. We can look at the free packs, and that's great, but let's take a look at what they're actually doing with these packs. So they're selling some NFTs here. $5 for 50,000 packs, so 250,000 worth of revenue. Here they're selling 24,000 packs for $100. So that's getting more interesting, right? That's $2.4 million in potential revenue. Now, looking at how these are split up, you have the commons, uncommons, rares, super rares, and epics. Then there's legendary exclusive. So really what you're buying is a pack of cards. There are 6 cards in this, 45 in the premium packs. You're buying the opportunity to possibly draw something that's going to be worth a lot more down the line. Now, it's really speculative right now. The NFT market is really speculative. In my last video on Topps, I go into a lot more detail. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put it on the end screen. I talked about how the search volume for NFTs or non-fungible tokens is going up a lot. Like, a lot of people are searching to figure out what it is, how to invest in it, whether they should invest in it. These could run for a while, and this could be something that does quite well. If you buy some Topps cards or something, you could actually have them appreciate a decent amount. The NBA has their own version of this, and they've sold a lot of them. There's a huge market for it right now, but the economy is doing decently well, honestly, coming out of the pandemic. There's a lot of money in the market right now. There's a lot of people trying to buy different things. A lot of people are really wealthy right now comparatively to where they were a couple years ago because of the stock market. A lot of the high growth names going up pretty significantly. So there's a lot of fun money being thrown around right now. And a lot of it is probably in NFTs. Now, that being said, if you guys want, you can still go buy these, and I'll put the link down below. And it is interesting to see how much these are going up. I mean, how much these companies are going up too. If we look at Playboy was a stock that announced that they're going to have NFTs. They've got a massive portfolio of NFT viable pictures and stuff like that. They've gone up 133% in the last month, and there's a significant demand, I think, for NFTs right now, and these companies are going to fill that demand. So kind of an interesting thing to take a look at. This company is EBITDA positive, Top says. They have a sugar brand too, or like candy that they sell. I think a lot of people will be asking, is it worth buying now that's in the 12s? That's the tough thing, because if I buy at 11 and I say it's a good buy at 11, and then people are wondering about 12, 13, 14, sure, there's more risk in it when it goes up, obviously. If I was looking at this company and I was wondering whether I should buy or not, I would consider putting part of my portfolio in it around 12-ish. I wouldn't be going out and buying a super large position, even though this could do really well. I'm kind of risk averse, so buying it at $10.50 or $11 seems like a really good deal because there's limited downside. Now there's more downside, but I think they will keep on announcing some different catalysts that will push it up. I think that it probably will go up from here over the next couple months. Now, I could be wrong. Like, the SPAC market in general has just gotten smashed. And right now we're seeing exciting SPACs like this at $12. Before, we were excited about seeing any SPACs at $11 or $12 like 3 or 4 months ago, just because you could buy it and have the potential of it going up 40% if they announce something. So we're in a different world, but I probably would be considering it if I didn't already have a position in that $12 range, because I think there is a lot of potential upside. Just know that there's also risk. Just with every investment, there's risk. But definitely check out that link down below if you guys want to buy some of these cards, some of these NFTs. And if you want to set up that digital wallet, it took me like 3 minutes this morning. So definitely check that out. Be on the lookout for April 20 when you can actually buy these packs. Thank you for hitting the like button. If you guys want to see my last video on tops, I'll put it up on the end screen up at the top. And then, no pun intended. And then there's also a video on penny stocks and what's happening in the penny stock market and why I might actually buy a little bit more in some penny stocks down here. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.